Thinking about Dropified for your dropshipping business? This review covers my experience. Find links and resources below. Dropified is a complete dropshipping automation platform, simplifying product sourcing, listing, and order fulfillment. Perfect for scaling efficiently, it integrates with Shopify, WooCommerce, and other major platforms. Its standout feature? Product sourcing automation. Connect with suppliers like AliExpress and eBay, importing products with one click. Dropified even offers US-based suppliers for faster shipping and happier customers through its private label options. Automated order fulfillment is a game changer. Dropified automatically processes orders, handles shipping, and syncs tracking info. Focus on growth, not micromanaging. Customize product titles, descriptions, and images directly within Dropified, creating a consistent brand. Its profit calculator helps you price competitively while maintaining margins. Stay ahead with automatic inventory and price updates, minimizing overselling risks. Interested in private labeling? Dropified's white label on-demand service lets you brand products, boosting professionalism. Dropified is a premium platform designed for streamlined scaling. Tutorials and support help new users. In short, Dropified is excellent for dropshippers wanting an all-in-one automation, customization, and supplier management solution. Its features and private label options are ideal for scaling and improving customer experience. Check the links below to explore Dropified and see if it fits your dropshipping goals. This review should help you decide if Dropified meets your needs.